Oh my god! Okay, everyone, we have this word for today. Let's learn what is this. SNORE. Who snores the loudest in your house? Let's find out this word. The pronunciation of this word SNORE is snore. Snore. Into British accent, there is raw silent sound at the end, but you can pronounce a slightly raw sound into American pronunciation, like snore. यसको अर्थ तपाईहरुलाई मैले स्क्रिनमा राखिदिएको छु. सुत्दाखेरि ठुलठुलो आवाजमा घुर्नु, जस्तै स्टार्टिङमा मैले घुरिरहेको थिएँ. यसको अर्थ ठुलठुलो स्वरले सुतेको बेला घुर्नु भन्ने अर्थ आउँछ. For example, my uncle snores so louder that no one can sleep. मेरो काका यति ठुलो स्वरमा घुर्नु हुन्छ कि कसैलाई सुत्न दिनुहुन्न. गजब बेइज्जती है. Okay everyone, tag your snoring hero in comments. Subscribe Khatri Institute for more learning. Thank you very much. Have a nice day and we'll meet into another video soon.